AI.
Loser.
They called me a bot. They called my life's work AI slop. Because to them, clean code means fake. Because to them, simple math means stupid. They think a human couldn't possibly solve this problem without a supercomputer.
AI.
They built artificial intelligence to be the ultimate weapon. Designed in Silicon Valley, controlled by billionaires, guarded by paywalls. They intended for this technology to widen the gap, to keep the secrets of high tech locked inside their black boxes. But they made a mistake. They forgot that a weapon changes allegiance depending on who holds it. I am not from MIT. I am not from Lockheed Martin. I am an engineer from Thailand, and I have taken their weapon to set you free. Bang Sayan AI is the Robin Hood of engineering. We use their AI to decode their secrets. AX equals B. And we give it to you for free. But when you disrupt the system fights back. Yesterday, I released the code to the world, and the internet exploded. Critics on Reddit looked at my work. They saw polished English. They saw clean code, and they said this reads like AI slop. They couldn't believe a human could work this fast. They thought it was a scam. They said, where is the proof? Where is the reproducibility? And then, there was this comment. Great, now do it in Simulink. I smiled. Because this is the biggest lie in engineering. They want you to believe that you need expensive tools to do real work. Simulink is a toy for simulations. It lives in a sandbox. You drag blocks. You pay licensing fees. You stay safe, but I don't live in a sandbox. I live in reality. Look at this screen. This is real-time control, running on a $99 Jetson Nano. Does a bot build hardware? Does AI slop stabilize a crashing aircraft in 0.5 milliseconds? I am not a bot. I am an engineer. And this is what simple can do. This is an old NVIDIA Jetson Nano. 4 GB RAM. Cost? Less than a textbook. Watch the screen. I am running the exact same Koopman Python code. Boom. Real-time control. Look at the CPU load. It's barely sweating. Why? Because linear algebra, $AX equals B, is efficient. We don't need code generation. We don't need to compile C++. We just run. So tell me again, is this slop? Or is this the future? You might look at this $99 board and see a small experiment. But look closer. You are looking at the end of the ivory tower. While journals take 12 months to review a paper, we have already built a global laboratory. Engineers in India are running this code. Students in Germany are testing it. They don't have millions of dollars, but now they have the math. The giants are sleeping behind their paywalls. Start counting the days, because when the world realizes that free can beat expensive, the game doesn't just change. The game is over. Join the revolution on GitHub. Link in description. I know running on hardware is tricky, so I pinned a troubleshooting guide in the Issues tab. If you hit a wall, the answer is there.
Now, I know what the skeptics are thinking. I hear your questions before you ask them. Let's answer them right now.
Q1. Python is too slow for real-time control. Answer. Python is slow if you write the loops, but I use NumPy, which runs on C and Fortran under the hood. My loop time on this old board is 0.5 milliseconds. That's 2000 Hertz. A fighter jet needs 400 Hertz. I am 5 times faster than a fighter jet in Python.
That Jetson Nano is ancient. 4 gigabytes RAM is nothing. Exactly. That is the point. If I used a $2,000 computer, you wouldn't be impressed. My algorithm uses less than 50 megabytes of RAM. Smart math doesn't need big hardware. It just needs the right hardware. This is just a toy model. Will it scale to a real six-DOF aircraft? Linear algebra scales linearly. Whether the matrix is 2 by 2 or 100 by 100, the math is the same. The CPU cost adds milliseconds, not seconds. So yes, it flies the toy, and it flies the real thing. What about noise? Real sensors are messy. By definition, least squares is the best noise filter in history. It ignores the chaos and finds the trend. But if you don't believe me, wait for level 2. If it's so good, why aren't Boeing or Lockheed using it? Legacy debt. They have billions invested in old code from the 1980s. They cannot change course easily. But you are agile. You are starting fresh. This is your chance to overtake the giants.
For too long, you believed a lie. You believed that to be a great engineer, you needed their permission. You needed their expensive software. You needed their approval. Today, I am telling you, you are free. You have the code, AX equals B. You have the hardware, Jetson, Pi. You have the network, Global Laboratory. You don't need to wait for a journal to accept you. You don't need a grant to start building. The weapon is in your hands. The chains are broken. Go build the future. Class dismissed.